is a green papaya. It's young and firm. To make salad, you need young and firm. Let's start our Vietnamese and Cambodian lesson again. As always, at the beginning of every video, I try to do a lesson on new veggie item or new food item. Some it may be repeat. Papaya, Vietnamese call trái đu đủ, Cambodian call play la hong. This is long beans or string beans. Vietnamese call đậu đũa. Cambodian they call sndek wing. And this here is dry shrimps. Vietnamese call tôm khô. Cambodian call bằng ke kiệm or bằng ke nguội, depending on what town you're from. It is palm sugar. Vietnamese are đường, thốt, nước. Cambodian call sco knot, garlic. Vietnamese call củ tỏi. Cambodian call tâm so. Tomatoes. Vietnamese call trái cà chua. Cambodian call bean bok. So all the vegetables we clean and wash. These I will cut into half and then into quarters. So 8 pieces out of 1 tomatoes. Dry shrimp will be soaked in warm water for 20 minutes. These clean and cut into about 2 inches length. Clean, peel, and shred it in cold salt water. Make sure all the green area is out completely, otherwise it tastes bitter. Do it twice like this. I don't want any of the green part left, otherwise it's pretty bitter. Because it's still young, you can see that the white thing is coming out sticky. That's why you have to put the salt in the water to get rid of that. If it's too hard to peel for you, you can use a knife. Use a knife to slice it off. Because the outside is kind of tough a bit due to it's still green. Careful when the soft spot is getting closer to the inside. They have seed inside and you don't want to normally it's white seed, but now you see this is black seed. That means this papaya is semi-ripe right now, almost ripe. That's why the seed is turning black. Okay, after you shred the papaya, rinse it off to drain out the water. Then we're gonna store it in a Ziploc, put in a refrigerator if you're not ready to make a salad. Otherwise you can, after you drain this about 10 minutes, no water left, then we can start making our salad. These we're gonna cook with the fish sauce. If you don't have the palm sugar available around where you live, you can always replace it with brown sugar. Cook 1 cup of fish sauce. Use a whole bag, 16 ounces of palm sugar or brown sugar. You cook until this dissolves and turn off the heat, let it cool down completely. Be careful when these start to fully melt, it's come condensed. So even though you put on low heat, it's boil very fast. So you just have to watch when it starts to melt it. You have to make sure you turn on very low and take away from the heat a little bit and stir until you feel like nothing clumpy underneath. Because if you don't watch, it's gonna be overflow. Just let you see what happened, that's it. But once you turn it off, make sure you take it away from the heat. And let it cool, and now we're gonna go shred the papaya. After the sauce is cooled down, it have this film on top from the boiling. So you just mix it all equally. You can use it right away or you can store it. I'm gonna put into my container. I always cook extra and to save it. This is one of my leftover. I'm gonna pour in there together. I'm gonna make, I always love to have this sauce for even for fried chicken. So I dip this with fried chicken too. It's like the canh gà chiên nước mắm style. After I fry it, I put this over in place of barbecue sauce. I use this for the salad also. Bring back all our stuff: pepper, kumquat, tamarind, dry shrimps, garlic sauce, pre-made sauce. So I'm gonna push this to one side and I'm gonna bring back the big guy. This here is the big guy, moro pesto. This helps pound the ingredients together. The reason we need to pound because we want to bruise it up a little bit so it absorbs in the sauce, because the papaya is a little bit tough on the outside. It's a little bit tougher than most vegetables or fruit. So you want to bruise them and the sauce will absorb in quicker. Moro pesto come with many different kinds, either wood, porcelain, or made out of stone. This is stone moro pesto because it will shrink fast if you don't pan it fast. I don't want the seeds, so I'm just doing these. They're shells. See, this built very fast. You can eat this with the salty crabs if you like, but I do not like salty crabs, therefore I won't use. You don't have to use it, but the traditional Thai way, they normally eat with that. I'm gonna dump this out to start a new batch with the tamarind sauce. This one is the same way, 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp. Pound, 4 cloves. A handful of beans. The beans are a bit more tough, so we pound them first. And then a handful of tomatoes. Do 1 tablespoon first for the first batch. Then a handful. Another handful. Another tablespoon of the sauce, and then pepper, whatever amount you want in the pepper, but the tamarind sauce is 1 tablespoon. So now you can see the liquid. It's out like last time. Because once the sauce gets in it and when you bruise them enough, it extracts the juice from the papaya. So now we have two plates. That one is the tamarind. This one is the kumquat. On my left side is the papaya mixed with the tamarind sauce. This one here is just plain, no sauce yet. I'm gonna use the dipping sauce, nước mắm chua ngọt. This is the Vietnamese style. And here I got the kumquat. I'm gonna start with the tamarind first. Wow, tastes so good. The smell of garlic is very powerful. The tomato is very good. It's kind of give that sweet and sour together with the sauce. The pepper I put too much for my own flavor. Is too strong for me. Now I'm gonna try this kumquat. I can't decide on which sauce I like. Let me try one more time. Both I put equal amount, 2 tablespoons of the pre-cooked fish sauce. Let me try back to the tamarind. Some tomatoes, dry shrimps, so good. Just for a quick review, a very flavorful, sweet, sour, and the kind of nutty taste of the beans, juicy taste, the pepper and everything, and then the garlic. It tastes very, very good. And the kumquat is good, but I would say this one I give it 5 stars. 5 star, like good. And this one I give it a 4. But anyway, I have to say goodbye to you guys. I will see you guys here again next week. The next video I'm gonna make dessert instead. Last time I've been doing a lot of salad. We have made a chicken feet salad and the cucumber banana blossom salads, and now papaya salad. So the next one I'm gonna make is dessert. I hope you guys follow my future video. I will see you guys again next time. And don't forget, be careful with the spicy part if you cannot handle a lot of spice.